Transferring Bitcoin from Crypto.com to an external wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. To begin, make sure you have a Crypto.com account and an external wallet set up, such as a hardware wallet or a software wallet. First, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Accounts page, where you will see a list of your available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Click on the Bitcoin option to view your Bitcoin balance and transaction history. Next, click on the Withdraw button, which will take you to the withdrawal page. On this page, you will need to enter the address of your external wallet, which is where you want to send your Bitcoin. Make sure to double-check the address, as sending Bitcoin to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. You will also need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, as well as any additional information required by Crypto.com, such as a withdrawal password or two-factor authentication code. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the transaction, Crypto.com will process the withdrawal and send the Bitcoin to your external wallet. This may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion and the speed of the transaction. It is also important to note that Crypto.com may charge a small withdrawal fee, which will be deducted from the amount of Bitcoin you are transferring. Additionally, your external wallet may also charge a small fee for receiving the Bitcoin. To receive the Bitcoin in your external wallet, you will need to have the wallet set up and ready to receive transactions. If you are using a hardware wallet, make sure it is connected to your computer and the wallet software is open. If you are using a software wallet, make sure the wallet is installed and running on your device. Once the Bitcoin has been transferred, you can verify the transaction by checking your external wallet balance and transaction history. You can also use a blockchain explorer to track the transaction and see the status of the transfer. In conclusion, transferring Bitcoin from Crypto.com to an external wallet is a relatively simple process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely transfer your Bitcoin to an external wallet. Always make sure to double-check the transaction details and use two-factor authentication to protect your account and funds.